This is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We're going to do a quick video tutorial at 437 TimberCrest. We're in the master bedroom suite. And so we have the TV inside the cabinet here. And so we have a Samsung Smart Enabled TV. So we have a DVD VCR player as well as cable 1. Green light on means that you've got access, so push the source button. And so HDMI 1 happens to be the cable 1. AV, when you're set to that, is going to be for the DVD VCR combo player. And then we just scroll through, use the arrows to move. And so back to HDMI 1 gets you to the cable. And then if you want to use a smart hub and actually access the Wi-Fi systems, push that, then you go to the featured if you want. Most of us all have Netflix, Prime, Hulu, so you can go through and enter your details. So if you have any further questions while you're here at 437 regarding the master bedroom television, you can reach out to us at 208-634-0030.